So we ready to do the other bike. Oh yeah, my man built. So we ready to put a 42T rear sprocket on his build so we can gain a higher top speed and see what this stock motor can really do. And then a lot of y'all is talking trash on this exhaust right here, saying it's gonna damage the motor and this and that and all of that. So we actually gonna give this bike a mini makeover real quick. Oh, now we gotta get the master off. Chain on. Probably gonna have to make the chain shorter. Definitely gonna have to make the chain shorter.
Oh yeah.
Cause this sprocket side like this. Well, damn, I coulda. That's for this one. I'm gonna have to torque it first. Something to get back on. And then get you a nice little hex tool. Just get a little torque on there. All that with my hand. Sprocket on, new sprocket. I don't even care if the misses fly off. Bro, you know how hard it's about to be to get that spacer in between. Well.
We're in that side.
Nah. Alright, move it back.
It's at.
What is it? Oh, you can see it, right?
Yeah.
Like that motherfucker should go through right now, right? Yeah,
There you go. Hold on. You're in the washer.
It's so with those, you gotta just keep twisting it and then it'll open the spot up tight. Cause I know the torque is good. I gotta take links off. I ain't even gonna waste time. Well, we gotta see how many we gonna. Come on, got it, yeah.
There ain't no choice.
That joke touching.
It is? No, it's not actually.
Oh, it's not. I thought. So I'm gonna just take, and then we could, and then the way it's at right now, this is still, but that don't really make too much of a difference. And then we can move the motor up and down. So we got a few ways to do shit.
Take it out about, like,
no, watch how fast this bitch go.
Remember, yo, like I told you, only
This don't work though.
piece out of the plastic and put that over the converter, so when I take it out towards the trails and all that.
Oh, there you go.
This. Put it back. Whoop.
Yeah, let's move the motor up.
That shit had to say 30 minutes.
There
you go, yeah.
Like that.
So,
Right.
by the way, yo, you know this thing has a lock to where it can stand taller? Yeah.
That's off. Yeah, my camera had died for real when I was doing that little modification to my boy's build, but as far as we know, we got that sprocket on, and then we gonna take it for a little test that we definitely did do. We did like one little race, but I'm not even gonna make that a video. I'll probably make that a TikTok or something, but yeah, that was a day in the life of mini bikes. Part 3, that's not even really part 3. That's just like that wasn't no part 3. I'm not gonna make that a part 3 for real, because that's a short video. So yeah, but we gonna see what we got next for the next one, man. Until next time though, y'all, give me.